So let's say we followed some of these politicians and we said we're going to a zero emission country, a zero emission economy. What would we have to do? Well, we would have to replace 36 gigawatts of thermal generating capacity in Canada right now. So that's 6 times James Bay. We'd have to build 12 WAC Bennett dams. It's 1.4 times the generating capacity of Western Canada. It's 6 Bruce nuclear power plants. If we're really going to get off of any kind of hydrocarbons for power, we're going to really have to start spending, and we're not going to build this here in the next few years. And we'll also have to replace 25 million vehicles, so that means every vehicle sold in Canada from today forward for the next 12 years would have to be an electric vehicle. Last year it was 2%. We'd also have to replace about $160 billion of gross domestic product and almost 200,000 jobs. So that's, in terms of gross domestic product, 10 times the auto sector, 20 times the aerospace sector, almost 20 times broadcasting, publishing. And here's what we would accomplish. This is Canada's contribution to global emissions, shown to scale to the rest of the world. So it's 36.2 gigatons altogether. Canada's 0.6 gigatons. So that's the situation today. If we meet Paris, this is what the chart will look like. That'll be Canada's contribution relative to the rest of the world. If we actually go to a zero emission economy, and by this, again, I'm not talking about the energy industry, I mean we shut the country down. We don't heat our homes, we don't cook our food, we don't manufacture anything, we don't make any food, we don't mine anything, we don't cut down any more trees. This is what the global emissions chart would look like. Can anybody see the difference in any of those? I'm not saying Canada doesn't have to do better. We do. We're a well-off developed nation. But again, let's have an informed conversation and keep things in perspective. Why are we going to decimate this country when even if we shut the country down, this is what we'd accomplish? Let's keep things in perspective.